I eat bread every day.
I eat bread every day.
I ate bread yesterday.
I ate bread yesterday.
I go to work every day.
I go to work every day.
I went to work yesterday.
I went to work yesterday.
I read a book every day.
I read a book every day.
I read a book yesterday.
I read a book yesterday.
She plays tennis every week.
She plays tennis every week.
She played tennis last week.
She played tennis last week.
She drinks tea every week.
She drinks tea every week.
She drank tea last week.
She drank tea last week.
She writes an email every week.
She writes an email every week.
She wrote an email last week.
She wrote an email last week.
I watch TV every day.
I watch TV every day.
I watched TV yesterday.
I watched TV yesterday.
I sleep well every day.
I sleep well every day.
I slept well yesterday.
I slept well yesterday.
I work here every day.
I work here every day.
I worked here yesterday.
I worked here yesterday.
I cook dinner every day.
I cook dinner every day.
I cooked dinner yesterday.
I cooked dinner yesterday.
I help my neighbor every day.
I help my neighbor every day.
I helped my neighbor yesterday.
I helped my neighbor yesterday.
She buys bread every week.
She buys bread every week.
She bought bread last week.
She bought bread last week. She sells books every week. She sells books every week.
She sold books last week.
She bought bread last week.
I take a bus every day.
I take a bus every day.
I took a bus yesterday.
I took a bus yesterday.
I send a letter every day.
I send a letter every day.
I sent a letter yesterday.
I sent a letter yesterday.
I open the door every day.
I open the door every day.
I opened the door yesterday.
I opened the door yesterday.
I close the window every day.
I close the window every day.
I closed the window yesterday.
I closed the window yesterday.
I call my friend every day.
I call my friend every day.
I called my friend yesterday.
I called my friend yesterday.
I sing songs every day.
I sing songs every day.
I sang songs yesterday.
I sang songs yesterday.
I paint a picture every day.
I paint a picture every day.
I painted a picture yesterday.
I painted a picture yesterday.